guys, so today I'm going to do a little makeup tutorial. Actually, no, today I'm going to do a makeup video. It's not a tutorial because I'm just gonna like chit chat and yeah! First I'm gonna start out. Actually, let me take this off because I put this on for like the thumbnail purposes so you can see like before and after, and I'm also wearing my retainer because I went to the orthodontist 2 weeks ago. And I noticed that there were some gaps forming in between my teeth. So I said to my orthodontist, Dr. Goss, I said, I see these gaps forming. Is there anything we can do about them? And he was like, I don't think that you're wearing your retainer at night, and if you don't wear your retainer, the gaps will form. And I was like, are you kidding me? I wear my retainer religiously. I wear it every single night, and I did not pay thousands. Actually, my parents paid thousands of dollars for my teeth to be messed up. And so now I have to wear this big, clunky wire retainer 24/7. Now I've had it for 2 days so far, and my teeth are really sore. I've only been able to eat like really soft foods. My mom gave me one of those like Nature Valley Crunch bars, and I was like, are you kidding me? Do you actually think I'm gonna be able to eat this? Like, do you hate me? I'm not sure what type of look I want to do today. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do those. Should I do them on camera? Yeah, I'm gonna do them off camera, and we'll see how they come out. So let's do that beauty guru thing. We're like, oh my god. Okay, eyebrows are done. Also, I don't know how I want to edit this video yet. Like, I've been watching some Emma Chamberlain and Antonio, the G something, and there's a Z in there too, I think. And I've been watching their videos, and I've been pretty inspired by their editing. And it makes their videos like 1,000 times funnier, and I kind of want to try it. And I don't know if it's like copying or not. Well, it is kind of copying, but it's being inspired. And there's nothing wrong with being inspired by other people. It's more like following a trend. Like, you gotta get on it while it's hot. You gotta hop on the train while it's moving, right? So I think I'm gonna do some fun edits with this, hopefully. It's kind of like that thing when your mom is like, if Timmy jumped off the bridge, would you jump off too? And hell yeah, I would. I think I'm gonna do like a sunset type of look, or at least try to. I'm not very good at makeup, but I pretend to be. So I have a very busy next couple of months. Summer's almost over. I go back to prison in September 5th, I think. It's a Wednesday. And so that means I have like 2 weeks exactly to get everything that I need to get done. And so I made out a little schedule of like, I have to read 50 pages this day, 50 pages the next day of my summer reading to be able to do it on time. And I'm on the 3rd day of my schedule, and I'm already behind. I should have read 150 pages of my book by now, and I've read 7. But, I'll get it done. I'll jam it in. And I'm pretty stressed out because I have SATs. And I was gonna like hardcore study. I was gonna get like a personal tutor and all that jazz. You like jazz? But I decided not to because it's honestly like so expensive, and I'm not, like, my scores weren't that bad. They were like average, and I just wanted them to be like a little bit higher. So I was just gonna study on Khan Academy and do all that stuff to help. But I haven't been very motivated to do that. So it's also been an issue, and that's also been on my little schedule. So on day 1 of my schedule, I was going to take a whole SAT test and do an entire practice, and then the next day I was going to do just math, and the next day I was going to do just reading. And so far I have done none of it, and that kind of worries me a little bit, and I should probably be studying right now instead of filming a makeup tutorial, but because, oh my geez, I am not looking at the mirror. So I just had to blend that out a little bit more. So I did the yellow and the orange, so now I'm going to do like a deeper orangey reddish color and do that on the lid. So I'm going back to school, like I said, in 2 weeks basically, and I kind of want to do like a vlog and get ready with me for the first day of school. You know, those are only fun if you're popular and they have, you know, friends and like things to talk about. I kind of just am pretty quiet. I just go to my classes and then I online shop in between classes. I sometimes online shop during classes. Only the boring ones. So let me know if you want to see that. And like, I know no one's gonna say anything because I love in every video, I'm like, you know, let me know if you guys want to see this or what. Let me know what you guys think. And I just, no one comments on it. I think it's the funniest thing ever. Actually, it's not funny, it's sad, but my crease is freaking out, so we just gotta jab her back in where she belongs. I think I'm gonna do eyeliner, but I'm gonna do it off camera, so I'll be right back.
You know what? Actually, screw it. I'm gonna do it on camera.
That's as even as they're gonna get, so... Okay, so I'm gonna start over with the lashes. So we're trying a different pair of lashes now because the other ones, I kept cutting to make them, like, trimming them down so that they'd be shorter so that they'd fit my eyeball. But I cut too much and then they were like this big, and so we're gonna try these bad boys out. So the annoying thing about having hooded eyelids is that when you really like just kind of relax your face, your eyelids just disappear. It's totally gone and I look like a psychopath. It's not cooperating. So now I have to get rid of this fallout, or as Kylie Jenner calls it, excess. Oh my god. Why am I using a sponge? I'll be back. So, update, we're out of makeup wipes. So, I'm just gonna have to cover it up with concealer. We love creating premature wrinkles underneath our eyes. That's as good as it's gonna get. So, we're moving on. So, we're gonna take this cute little puffer thingy and put on some of this cushion foundation from Maybelline. This just like makes me feel so luxurious and fancy, just like patting onto my skin like this. So my phone died and I didn't realize it until after I had already applied my blush. So I put blush on and I also put some lip balm on so that my lips are nice and plump. And now I'm back. And I finished my eyeshadow underneath my eyeballs. And it's kind of choppy, not very well blended. I just kind of like threw some red on there and hoped it would work for the best. And it didn't. This is Dallas from the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream collection. And we're just gonna pop this guy on here. No. I feel like I fall a lot in my tutorials. I don't even do it on purpose. It just happens. I'm just that clumsy. And now my camera's all messed up. I'm just gonna go in with some Fenty gloss and call it a day because, wait, nope. This Bareminerals Lip Gloss in Hype. Okay, this still isn't really what I'm going for. But I think I'm just gonna roll with it. You gotta roll with the punches. Like Conor McGregor. I think that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Wait, let me take my retainer out just for the outro. I'm not feeling this lip at all. It's probably like really gloppy right now because I just layered 3 lip glosses and a liquid lipstick underneath it. But you know, it's what it is, as Bill Belichick would say. Go Patriots. No, that's not what he says. He says it is what it is. But yeah, so this is how it came out, and I hope that you enjoyed it and that you will subscribe to become a Sproutling and like and comment if you want. And this is it. Zaijian.